There we go. There we go. There goes the watch. SVA. Boom. SVA. There we go.
Urgent weather message. Counties in Ohio: Ashland, Holmes, Mahoning, Medina, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull and Wayne, and Avon Point to Willowick. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 309, effective until 6 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Holmes, Mahoning, Medina, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull and Wayne, and Avon Point to Willowick. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 309 has been issued until 6 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland,
No, they
Holmes,
always do that with
Mahoning,
watches.
Medina, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull and Wayne, and Avon Point to Willowick.